Hey there, welcome to today's video where we will be talking about Microsoft Azure. Azure is a cloud computing service that offers various tools, services, and business to help them build, manage, and deploy applications on a global scale. In this video, we'll be discussing an overview of Azure, Azure services and products, and the Azure portal management. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform that enables businesses to create, manage, and deploy applications and services globally. It offers various services like storage, virtual machines, database, networking, analytics, and much more. Azure provides a flexible and scalable environment for business to operate and expand their services. It also supports different programming languages and frameworks for building applications. Azure offers a wide range of services and products to cater to different business needs. Let's take a look at some of them. Azure Virtual Machines. It provides infrastructure as a service to run Windows or Linux virtual machine in the cloud. Azure Storage, it offers a scalable, secure, and durable storage solution for data files and applications. Azure Database, it provides fully managed and scalable database for different requirements like SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Cosmos DB. Azure Networking, it offers a range of networking services like virtual network, load balancer, VPN gateway, and Azure DNS. Azure Analytics, it provides data analytics and processing service like HD Insight, Data Lake Analytics, and Stream Analytics. Azure AI, it offers various AI services like cognitive services, machine learning, and bot services. Azure DevOps, it provides a collaborative platform for developers to build, test, and deploy applications with continuous integration and continuous delivery (CI/CD) pipelines. These are just some of the services and products offered. There are many more depending on business requirements. The Azure Management Portal is a web based interface that allows users to manage and monitor their Azure services and products. It provides a dashboard view of all the resources and services, enabling easy navigation and management. It also offers different features like creating and managing virtual machines, configuring storage accounts, monitoring usage, and much more. That's it for today's video. We hope this overview of Azure, Azure services and products, and the Azure Management Portal was informative and helpful. Azure is a powerful cloud computing service that can help businesses expand their services and improve their operations. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.